Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello students. Let's look at an interesting question about the human eye. The question is, the lens system of the human eye forms an image on a light-sensitive screen, which is called as Option A, cornea. Option B, ciliary muscles. Option C, optic nerves. Option D, retina. Which of these is the right answer? Let's find the answer by looking at the functions of each part. Observe the cross-section of the eye. Light enters the eye through a thin membrane called the cornea. Then, the crystalline eye lens forms an inverted real image of the object. This image is formed on the back surface, on a delicate membrane called the retina. Let's look at the specific functions of the other parts. Cornea is the front thin membrane. Most of the refraction of light rays occurs at its outer surface. What about ciliary muscles? They modify the curvature of the eye lens to change its focal length. Next, the optic nerves. Optic nerves transmit electrical signals generated by light-sensitive cells directly to the brain. Now, let's talk about the retina. The retina is a delicate membrane having an enormous number of light-sensitive cells. It acts exactly as a light-sensitive screen where the eye lens forms a real and inverted image. So, what is our final conclusion? The light-sensitive screen where the image is formed is indeed the retina. Hence, the correct option is D. Let's mark the correct answer, which is option D. Great. Hope you understood the concept well. Happy learning.